So, at the end of it all, what comes first, the truck or the trailer?
Alright, so we're here, we're doing a couple different floor plans, looking at it. There's different options that you can get into, depending on whatever your tow vehicle is. So, let's pop inside and look at this floor plan. So this is the new port. This looks really nice. Has the nice tall ceilings, seats, leather, lights, massage, heat, expandable table, a fireplace, nice TV, lots of storage, a ceiling fan, that's always nice. This would be the pantry. And then we have an oven, stovetop, convection microwave oven, lots of storage, pull-out drawers, that's nice, silverware already in there. This one is cool, so this has the farmhouse sink. So it has the skirt that comes down. Then look at that, you got a nice cutting board on there, so that's a nice little added feature. Nice refrigerator. Double drawer freezer. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so some of the different floor plans, you might get a bath and a half, you might get two, you might have one, everybody's got to share it. So depending on what you like, what you're looking for, so many different features. So this is nice. Cupboards in there, storage. Well, this is another nice feature. This is a hall closet. Storage up ahead too. That way you're not causing a mess in your house. This is nice. So you have a little bench, little tub so you can put on your shoes. Tilt-up bed, so it gives you all this expanded floor space to walk. His and hers wardrobe on each side. Nice sliding doors. The sink is a little small, I think, in this one, as is the counter space, but it's still very nice. In here you have the closet. I suppose if you don't decide to get a washer dryer, you could use this as added storage. And this is nice. This is a nice walk-in corner closet. Here's your extra set of chairs for your dining room table. Nice Dyson floor vacuum. So the thing I have to say though is when you do have the tilt-up bed, you lose the storage space under the bed, whereas some of them will lift up and you'll be able to have some storage. But this does have two nice sized drawers under it too. Lighting. You have a cupboard or a drawer under here. So there's a lot of options in this house. This is nice. Very nice. So this is one, and let's pop over to a toy hauler edition and see what that looks like. And I forgot to make mention that some of the houses, whatever you decide, might have an entertainment system on the side with a TV. The amount of room that you have in the underbelly will be different. I mean, this is a nice size storage space. And then this is the fifth wheel. So then, you have to have a pickup truck. You could always go for a pre-owned house. have this ready for us. And then you can pull it up, more people can sit, but that way everybody's got a little thing for their cup. So let's pop out here. Oh, this looks like a nice loft. Glass door is nice. Oh, this is cool. So they give you a little sink. It has its own entry, so the garage. So you can have your toys in here. The floor is ready for it. You have a bed up on top that'll drop down. You have a nice TV here, a cupboard here, so then they can control it while they're laying in bed. When you're not using the bed, you can use this table with the benches for additional seating, a toilet, little corner toilet, basics. No throws.
Don't worry about that step.
This is nice. I don't know if they must swivel. I'm not sure how you would do it, but here's another one so you can sit at the bar top. Then here's your access to the side patio. So this is additional floor space that you have. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so a little slide out TV would pull out angle so you can sit out here and watch. Again, nice refrigerator with the freezer. Nice little U-shaped kitchen. Well, this is nice. Oven, stovetop, convection oven. Stairs up. So here you have another bathroom that you can walk through, comes into the master. There isn't really a lot of room to walk around it. You have a TV on the wall, little storage. That's nice. The tabletops with the dressers. So behind the door you have another nice sized closet, drawer. So this is nice. So this is another option. This is a toy hauler. So if you have toys to bring, you can get this. You don't have to have toys, and you could just use it as an expansion of the house and have a room out there. You have the room in the side patio, the bunk, all the theater seating, watching TV, the fireplace. This is nice. Alright, so let's find another style that we can go and take a look at. Alright, so next we have some Class C's. Again, there's different lengths, different options inside. And then we got this one right here. This one I want to pop in. This is a Super Duty 4 Division Class C motor coach. Awnings up there. Pop in here. Whoa, this is nice. This is so nice. So inside, here you have your cockpit. Once you get wherever you're going, these mats here would cover up this space. This is a space to sleep, which is nice. Look at this great big window you got to stare at the stars with your TV. When the TV also swings around so you can watch it from out here. Nice dinette. This has to be a storage capacity.
That makes into another bed.
Or another bed, exactly. Cup holders in your table. So if you're having people travel with you while you're driving, their drinks are able to stay put without making a mess. Nice size kitchen, a lot of room to walk around. Half bath, that's nice. Cupboards, corner sink. Refrigerator, freezer. Lots of storage in the kitchen. That's your trash can. Pull out drawers. You don't have an oven, but you have the stove top and a convection microwave oven combo. Wow, these are nice and deep. All the way to the wall, nice pantry. Sliding door. Here's the main bedroom. Storage above. Not sure if you have storage underneath. Nice wardrobe closets with the mirror. That's nice. All these drawers, your TV. Now this is something different. Oh, here's a slider. So your toilet's tucked in back here, but then you have a nice stand-up shower. So this is nice. Again, there's so many different options, and wherever you are in your path, and what's on your agenda, and wherever you live, there's always people to help us out. A salesman at the different RV lots, if that's what you're doing. Always able to help us make the right decision. Not saying you'll get it on the first time, but you gotta start somewhere. It's nice. Now, let's go into a bus. It'll be our last little tour. This is a bus, obviously, again, different manufacturers, different lengths, different features. This one here looks like it's a 35-foot Thor motor coach. So let's pop in here. Wow, I like this one too. Boy, they have the heater or the fireplace cranked in here. Good thing you're not here with us. Boy, it is hot in here. Alright, so sitting in the cockpit, swivel chairs, and you have your dining, your kitchen, you have your oven, your stove top. I'm sure this is a convection oven. Maybe not. No, it looks like it's just a microwave, storage, your refrigerator, and then here, instead of your seating being there, again, there's different floor plans. This is just one of many that you can pick from. This has a nice little L-shaped couch that you can sit in front of the TV and in the fireplace. Yeah, this is nice. I like this setup to make it feel, oh, that must be a pantry. More like your house, where you would have the separation from your kitchen to your dining. Here's a nice size half bath. Let's see. So I would imagine that this is pretty big. So this would be for your washer and dryer. Otherwise, there is a closet pole inside. So if you don't decide to get your washer dryer and want to go to the laundromat while you're traveling, you can do that as well. So I'm thinking that this table must go where the driver's seats are. Oh yeah, I see the space on the floor, so then that would be an additional seating area. Nice sized bed. Another bathroom with a stand-up shower. And then here you have all your closets. Oh, sorry, fighting with it. Pull out drawers, so there's a lot of storage in here. As well as a TV up on the wall. So you have all your little luxuries of life while you're running down the road. while your husband's driving and taking a nap. So again, I just wanted to point out some different models, different options, how you tow it. Do you tow it behind a, let's say a Suburban, or geez, I don't know, a little SUV maybe, or do you use your pickup truck, or is it the trailer hitch is inside the back of your bed, or do you get this, or do you get the Class C? I mean, the options are endless. So that's what I've got so far for tours.
So this will conclude our walkthrough of units. Johnny Walker has its own RV park on the premises, and your quality control, the last portion of it, is done right here. When you buy an RV from Johnny Walker, they will set you up here. You will spend a night or 2 nights, work out your final bugs. They will teach you how to use everything in the unit. And at the end of that, you drive away and hopefully there'll be no more problems. They're one of the few places that sell RVs that actually do this. It's great. It's great customer service. And on that note, we're wrapping it up. So, at the end of it all, what comes first, the truck or the trailer? You'll decide that. For me, it was the trailer. And I've owned 3 fifth wheels now, 2 toy haulers, and the last was a Lux 39 FB, which we still currently own, and I've bought in 3 trucks. So my takeoff on this whole thing is just buy a truck that can tow the biggest thing that you could possibly own, and you'll only do it once. The new truck that I just bought in February, I ordered it from Ford, 2019 F350 dually, capable of towing 31.5, I believe it is, 410 rear end, 6.7 liter Lariat. I put the bells and whistles into the motor and other things rather than doll it up. And at the end, this is another thing that would really be smart on anybody else that's going to keep their vehicle and really want to get some prestige and some beauty out of it. I had my truck ceramic coated. Keep you from waxing it for about 3 years, depending on what product you buy. So, here she is, 2019 F350 dually. Doesn't make any difference, whatever you want to get, whether it's a Chevy, a Dodge, Ford, GMC, just make sure you get the right rating. And I'd always go a little bit over, because you're always going to upgrade. Anyhow, anywho, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time with Travel with Rick and D.
Thank you for watching our videos. We hope you enjoy them. We upload new videos every week.
So don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel, Travel with Rick and D. Until next time, see you on the road.